Hello creatives, this is Q from Art and Tinker. In this video, we'll talk about the Workplane and Ruler tool and how we can use them to precisely arrange multiple shapes together. First, let's bring the Ruler tool down onto our workplane and let's put multiple boxes down onto our workspace as well. Selecting the box will allow me to see the precise distance between the left edge of my box to the ruler. Let's do 20 millimeters. Now I'm going to click and move my ruler and click on the other box so I can arrange that one too. So I'm a little bit off the mark, so let's correct that. Make sure they're 20 millimeters apart. I can also use the ruler to kind of stagger my boxes as well. In this case, I'll keep them on the same line. You can toggle the ruler so it's measured from edge to midpoint, or you can keep it from edge to edge. You can click on the circle to rotate the ruler around. I use this method very often, especially when I want to arrange multiple objects around a reference point. We are done with the ruler tool for now. Let's move on to the Workplane, which is another very powerful tool in Tinkercad. So I have here a little red box, and I would like to put a cone or something on the right side of my box. What I'm going to do is to click on the workplane or press W, and I'm dragging it over to the right side of my cube. Now I'm going to drag the shape that I want onto the plane, and it's automatically reorient my shape so that it sits on the right side of my cube. To exit the tool, I'm going to click on it again and click on the yellow workplane to return everything to normal. That was awesome, so I'm going to do it again. This is probably my favorite tool, guys. This time I'm going to apply some text onto the front of my box. Now my text is huge, so I am going to resize using both the control panel on the right and the click and drag method. As you can see, with the Workplane tool, we can very quickly and precisely attach multiple shapes together, which is really the meat and potatoes of how Tinkercad works. And that is the end of our videos, guys. In the next video, we will talk about how to group and color objects, and if you're a painter, the Scribble tool will allow you to make organic shapes easily within Tinkercad. I am excited for this one, guys. If you liked this video and enjoy your lesson today, hit the like and subscribe button. Also remember to check out the Imaginary Art Call from the Royal Arts Collective. Again, this is a paid opportunity, so tell your friends, and submit your design as early as possible. I'm looking forward to see your submission. Once again, this is Q from Art and Tinker. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.